你哋知唔知咧？我知呢個，即係我知呢個故事咧，應該係好恐怖嘅。不過係珍珠都冇咁真嘅，就係咧，我婆婆話佢喺臨終嘅時候咧，即係我媽同我講話，我婆婆喺臨終嘅時候咧，發咗個夢，夢見我同個男人瞓咗喺張床上邊，跟住咧，誒，佢哋話，唉，婉蓮好乖嘅，唔會嘅。但係跟住咧，亦都有人同我講，就話我唔記得係邊個同我講，有人同我講話，婆婆驚你俾男人蝦喎，即係好明顯係，即係佢即係我同佢瞓喺張床上邊，但係咧，我覺得應該係有啲即係你明唔明啊？即係從佢哋口中聽得出咧，應該係有強姦嘅成分咯，因為你知我婆婆㗎啦，即係喺佢臨終之前咧發咗個咁嘅夢咧，跟住就傳到我耳中，我阿媽又咁講，仲有另外我唔記得係咪三姨媽係咁講話，婆婆臨終之前發夢話驚你你瞓你同一個男人瞓咗喺張床上邊。驚你俾男人蝦喎，你明咩意思嘅咧？即係你哋知咩意思嘅咧？係咪先？即係我哋兩個瞓喺張床上邊，驚我俾男人蝦咁，你即係你哋覺得係咩意思係咪先？That's why 我唔 buy 佢哋嗰套啦，OK？我話俾你哋知，我為即係我為呢個世界，我為多重宇宙付出咗我一生，即係我諗，其實如果大家客觀啲咁樣睇我一生咧，係人都知道我一出世就已經係咩咗㗎啦，係咪先？I've been possessed since I was born, you know. I've always had these vivid dreams, you know. I know. And I've always been weird, like the people, like I told you, they try to diagnose me. I've always been unusual. I was born this way. There's no unwanted result. The unwanted results didn't actually come from me. They come from envious people. They come from envious humans trying to get in my way. They do not come from me. I just know it. Because I'm telling you, I paid the highest price. I paid my whole life, you know, to the betterment of the multiverse, whether people know it or not. Because I know that if I fix my inside, I can fix everything outside. It's the external circumstances can be fixed easily if I focus on fixing what's inside of me. I know. 我婆婆都發咗個咁嘅夢啦，係咪？你哋夠膽話嗰個係女人 I don't believe it, you know. She is a woman. You're a lesbian. No, I don't buy that crap. I do not buy it. 我婆婆都發咗個咁嘅夢啦，係咪先？你推翻到我婆婆咩？係咪？佢而家死無對證啦，係咪啊？都已經死咗啦，係咪？佢臨終前就係發咗個咁嘅夢，話我同個男人瞓喺張床上邊，跟住佢哋驚我俾男人蝦啊！你哋估下發生咩事啦？